Haiti's gang war. Port-au-Prince under siege. Haiti's capital remain 90% controlled by gangs in 2026. With Viv Ansanm, coalition expanding terror through murders, kidnappings, and sexual violence. Over 1.3 million displaced. Hunger crisis deepens amid supply disruptions. Transitional government rejects negotiations, launching police offensives and await the UN-backed gang suppression.
Forces February elections loom. Gangs seek amnesty and influence, turning Haiti into a failed state. International aid struggles against impunity, leaving civilians trapped in daily violence and humanitarian despair.